Good morning, children. Already electricity lesson has taken and all the objective, short answers, everything given in the previous classes. Now I have to give the answer only for the detailed questions. So the detailed questions are given in page number 58. Children, take the books in your hand and pencils, mark down carefully. At the beginning itself I said you no need to write the objectives, you have to write only give reasons, answer briefly as well as detailed answers. Clear? This lesson you have to write down give reasons, answer briefly and answer in detail. Then what are the lessons given for quarterly and half-yearly? It will not be considered for the annual exam. Annual exam we have to see the other lessons only. What are the lessons? That is already in the quarterly we gave. In the physics first is 1, 2, 3. 3 lessons I gave. In chemistry 9 and 10. Biology 16, 17, 18. So we are taking the fourth lesson each. Each question and answers given for you. Lesson number 4, 5, 6. 3 lessons I am going to take in physics. Clear, children? The 3 lessons only for the annual exam. 4, 5, 6 only. Chemistry and all I will see afterwards. So take the detailed answer. First question. Explain the 3 ways of charge transfer. First question is what? Explain the 3 ways of charge transfer. It's in page number 47. Already we are marking the short answers. All the short answers combine together and write as a detail. Clear? 3 ways of transfer. Here take page number 47. Page number 47, opposite side. Page number 47 first. Opposite side. The scan code is there now. Next to that, transfer of charges take place. Did you find out? The second line. Opposite side, first paragraph, second line. Have you taken or not? Transfer of charges takes place in the following ways. Transfer by friction, transfer by conduction, transfer by induction. That is first paragraph. Close the bracket. And other paragraph, just underline the word. Transfer by friction, 5.31. Transfer by friction. Comb rubbed with air from that to till 10th line. To comb due to friction. Already we gave short answer. First one short answer we gave in that. The same short answer only. Just go through. Comb brushed with the hair gains electron from the air and become negatively charged. These electrons are accumulated on the surface of the comb. When a piece of paper is stirred into bits, positive and negative charges are present at the edge of the bits. The negative charges in the comb attract a positive charges. So the paper bits are moving towards the comb. While combing hair, charges are transferred from the air to comb due to friction. Clear? From the first line to 10 line. First paragraph what I said? The transfer of charges take place in the 3 ways, and the 3 ways first you have to write. The second paragraph, comb rubbed with to friction, 10 lines. And the third paragraph in page number 48. Page number 48 you take down. Underline the heading transfer by conduction. Finished underlining? Then under the activity 2 we have to write. When the ebonite rod is rubbed with woolen cloth, from that to the opposite side. Second paragraph, third line, with a charged body. Finish marking. Let me read now. When the ebonite rod is rubbed with woolen cloth, electrons from the woolen cloth are transferred to the ebonite rod. Now ebonite rod will be negatively charged. When it is brought near the paper cylinder, negative charges in the rod are attracted by the positive charge in the cylinder. When the cylinder is touched by the rod, some negative charges are transferred to the paper. Hence, the negative charges in the rod are repelled by the negative charges of the cylinder. Thus, we can say that charges can be transferred by to an object by bringing it in contact with the charged body. Close the bracket. Charged body. Clear? First one. Second paragraph, this is third paragraph. Transfer by conduction is third paragraph. You have to write, children, you have to write with the side headings. Okay, first one is transfer by friction. Second paragraph is transfer by friction. Third paragraph is transfer by conduction. Fourth paragraph, in the page number 49 only, transfer by induction. Underline the word. In that, under the heading transfer by induction, fifth line you take, mark the children. The process of charging an uncharged body by bringing a charged body near to it but without touching it is called induction. Again go through the process of charging an uncharged body by bringing a charged body near it but without touching it is called induction. So first introduction we have given, and second one what I said, transfer by friction, third paragraph transfer by conduction, and the last paragraph transfer by induction. Totally in the first answer, how many paragraphs there? 4 paragraphs. It's an important question also. Next one, what is electroscope? Explain how it works. What is electroscope? Explain how it works. Here page number 50. Second answer in page number 50. I have taken down electroscope under the heading electroscope, that is 5.5. Only one name we have to mark in this. First paragraph this is, an electroscope is a scientific instrument used to detect the presence of electric charge on a body. That's all. An electroscope is a scientific instrument used to detect the presence of electric charge in the body. Then again, how does it function they are asking, no? For that you just mark down from the same paragraph, 7th line. 7th line, an electroscope is made out of conducting materials, generally metal. It works on the principle that like charges repel each other. In simple electroscope, 2 metal sheets are hung in contact with each other. They are connected to a metal rod that extends upwards and ends in a knob at the end. Close the bracket. From there too you can continuously you can write. The next page again now. Apart again now. First what is it? An electroscope is a scientific instrument used to detect the presence of electric charge in a body. Then after 2 lines, it is the first electrical instrument. No, here I said ma. An electroscope is made out of, from there how many lines? 5th line, an electroscope is made out of conducting materials, generally metal. It works on the principle that like charges repel each other. In some simple microscope, 2 metal sheets are hung in contact with each other. They are connected to a metal rod that extends upward and ends in a knob at the end. If you bring charged object near the knob, electrons will either move out into the air. This will result in charge accumulating on the metal leaves inside the electroscope. If negatively charged object is brought near the top knob of the electroscope, it causes free electrons in the electroscope to move down into the leaves, leaving the top positive. Since both the leaves have negative charges, they repel each other and move apart. If the positive object is brought near the knob of the electroscope, the free electrons in the electroscope start to move up towards the knob. Till that enough. Towards the knob. Finish marking just 2 lines before the ending of the paragraph. Towards the knob. Clear children? Second answer? Any doubts in that? Okay, let me go for the third one. Explain series and parallel circuit. The answer is in page number 50. (52) actually. 53 ma. Page number 53. Page number 53. Actually the question is, explain series and parallel circuit. Page number 53. Have you taken page number 53? Series circuit. Page number 53, opposite side. Under the heading 5.71 series circuit. Open the brackets here. A series circuit is one that has more than one resistor but only one path through which the electrons can travel. From one end of the battery, the electron move along one path with no branches through the resistors to the other end of the cell. All the components in a series circuit are connected end to end. So, current through the circuit remains same throughout the circuit, but the voltage gets divided across the bulbs in the circuit. Okay, next to that you have to draw the diagram. That is, the diagram is 5.13. That is for series circuit. Clear, children? Then turn the page. We have to see parallel circuit. It's in page number 54. The same like you have to draw the diagram for this also. That is 5.15. Okay, here you see, in a parallel circuit, first paragraph itself, in a parallel circuit, there is more than one resistor and they are arranged on many paths. This means charges can travel from one end of the cell through many branches to the other end of the cell. Here, voltage across the resistor remains the same, but the current flowing through the circuit get divided across each resistor. Okay, clear? So, first we have to write series circuit, diagram for that, and parallel circuit, diagram for that. Clear? Any doubts? Whatever it may be, you can ask. You can clear the doubts through my WhatsApp number that's with you. And how is lightning take place? It's in page number 51, I think so. How is lightning take place? Page number 51. Fourth answer, page number 51. Take down now page number 51. Lightning and thunder 5.6. Under the heading, second paragraph. Under the heading, that is activity 4 is the next to the activity 4, first paragraph. And we have to open the brackets in the second paragraph. Lightning is produced by discharge of from that to till that paragraph completes, lightning is same. Okay, just go through. Lightning is produced by the discharge of electricity from the cloud to cloud or from cloud to ground. During thunderstorm, air is moving upward rapidly. This air moves rapidly, carries small ice crystals upward. At the same time, small water drops move downward. When they collide, ice crystals become positively charged and move upward, and the water drops become negatively charged and move downward. So, the upper part of the cloud is positively charged and lower part of the cloud is negatively charged. When they come into contact, electrons in the water drops are attracted by the positive charges in the ice crystals. That electricity is generated and lightning is seen. Close the bracket. Clear? That entire paragraph from the lightning to see. Any doubts in this? We are going for the last thing. What is electroplating? Explain how it is done. This is in page number 55. What is electroplating? 55. So, under the heading electroplating in page number 56, 55, electroplating is, did you find out? First paragraph, first line itself. Electroplating is one of the most common applications of chemical effects of electric current. The process of depositing a layer of one metal over the surface of another metal by passing electric current is called electroplating. Over. Then how we have to done? It's in activity 6. You have to write fully. Take a glass jar with the diagram. With the diagram also. Diagram activity 6. After that you have to write activity 6 fully. Take a glass jar and fill it with copper sulfate solution. Take a copper metal plate and connect. Take a copper plate metal and connect it to the positive terminal battery. Connect an iron spoon to the negative terminal of the battery. Now dip them in the copper sulfate solution. When the electric current is passed through the copper sulfate solution, you will find that a thin layer of copper metal is deposited on the iron spoon and an equivalent amount of copper is lost by the copper plate. So, you have to draw the diagram for this. Clear, children? That is, first 4 lines I said, then next to that you have to write the activity 6 fully with the diagram. Any other doubts? So in this again choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, true or false, match, give reasons, assertion and reason. So all the other things you have to, no need to write, that you can mark in the book itself. Only give reasons you have to write, you have to copy from the board. Already I gave the answers. Short answers I gave, detailed answers I gave. Clear? Any other doubt? So lesson is over. So far for the annual exam I have completed 2 lessons. One is electricity, other one is sound. 3, 4 is lesson already completed. Heat and electricity. One more lesson I will take in physics, that is sound. 3 lessons for us. Okay? Okay children, let us see in the other class. I have to give English question and answers. I will see in the other class. Okay? This lesson is over. 2 lessons I have completed in physics. And I have to see in chemistry. Chemistry already 9 and 10 is completed for. 9 and 10 is completed and considered for quarter and half yearly. And for the thing, we have to have thought of taking 19 over 11, 12, 13, 3 lessons. 11, 12 and 13. In every unit we are taking 3 lessons. Physics 3, Chemistry 3 and Biology 3. Altogether 9 lessons will be considered for annual exam. Okay children, thank you.